Hello, my name is Wujaha, and for the last few months, the crypto market hasn't looked as good as it once did. I think most of us are, even up to 50% down from those all-time highs that we had in May. But is that a bad thing, or is that something to worry about? I don't think so. You see, in the world of crypto, there's plenty of ways to make money when the market is going up, when the market is sideways, and even when the market is going down. And today, that's what we're going to talk about. Now, I'm not talking about shorting a crypto or anything like that. I'm talking about things that we can do together to actively make money, no matter what the market conditions are like. Just before we get started, I have to let you know that this is all purely educational, none of it is financial advice. So as always, let's get straight to it. Decentralized finance has opened up a whole new door to make your money work for you. And there's plenty of ways to make money in DeFi, including when you're fast asleep. We'll start off with talking about providing liquidity on decentralized exchanges. Providing liquidity involves depositing two different cryptocurrencies of equal amount into a protocol so that other people can go onto that exchange and trade them as they wish. When someone wants to buy or sell through that trading pair, there's an associated transaction fee. And where does that money go? Well, that's where we come in. By providing liquidity, we are rewarded with some of those transaction fees that are associated with a trade. It's relatively simple to do, and the only barrier to entry is that you need to have an equal amount of both the trading pairs that you want to provide liquidity for. So if you want to provide liquidity for the Ethereum USDT pair, you just need to go ahead and buy an equal amount of both Ethereum and USDT, and then you can go to a decentralized exchange like Uniswap where you can actually provide the liquidity. Now you may be thinking, how does this work in a bear market? If Ethereum is going to go down in price, then how's that going to work? We don't want to lose money, we want to make money. And you're right, providing liquidity for volatile assets has its risks. There is something called impermanent losses, which is an important thing to understand. And essentially what it means is that if one of the trading pairs goes up or down, well, you're probably going to lose a bit of money because remember what I said, both the assets that you provide have to be completely equal. As an example, if you were to provide $100 of Ethereum and $100 of USDT, well, they're balanced at the start, so that's fine. If Ethereum goes down in price, well, the protocol will automatically rebalance those two pairs so that you've got an equal amount. So if it goes down, let's say 60%, well then some of that USDT that you had will be sold and now you'll have an equal amount again. In a bear market, how can we avoid this? Well, we can provide liquidity for stablecoins, cryptocurrencies that don't change in price. You can provide liquidity for trading pairs like USDT, USDC, or even my favorite, UST. These trading pairs don't change in price and so there's no risk of impermanent loss. You can just keep accumulating those transaction fees that happen when people trade between them, and I guess it's just passive income. The second way that I wanted to tell you guys about making money in a bear market is through farming. Now farming is essentially locking some of your cryptocurrencies into a protocol, which is then used for liquidity purposes, but then you being rewarded for doing so in a different token. Now that might sound a little bit complicated, but don't worry, it's really not. Essentially all it involves is going to various different platforms, depositing some of your crypto, and then being rewarded for doing so. Then whenever you want, you can take that deposit out as well, and you can sell the tokens that you got as a reward. Now I'm not going to recommend any particular platform just because by the time you're watching this video, it might not be the best one anymore. But one that I was using, especially after the May market crash, was called Augury, which was on the Polygon blockchain. And essentially you could just deposit USDT or USDC, your favorite stablecoins, and get paid with the Augury governance token. At the start, the rates were really high. I mean, I was getting about 1000% APR just from my stablecoin deposit. And remember, I could just take the stablecoin out anytime as well. I was able to just sell on the governance token, and this was completely passive income for me. Yes, with time, the rates have gone down, and I'm not too sure what the rates are today, but I'm pretty sure that they won't be 1000%. But you will find lots of other platforms that are just coming out now or coming out in the near future that will have really, really high rates, especially at the start, and you can just take advantage of them. Like I mentioned, keep an eye out for these farms because they come out very, very regularly. And if you're early to some of them, you can take advantage of extremely high APRs. I mean, sometimes I've seen APRs in the millions of %. And even if you're in some of these farms for just a few days, you can really make a lot of money. There is a farming channel on YouTube by a guy called Taiki that I watch quite regularly, and he does some really good videos about farming and just how to take advantage of some of these opportunities, and I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. In addition to farming, there are various other smart contract applications that you can take advantage of, especially in a bear market, to make some consistent income. Of course, one of my favorites is Anchor, and I have made a video about this, so definitely go check that out. But Anchor is just a bank. It's a DeFi bank, a decentralized bank that you can deposit your stable coins in and earn a fixed 19 to 20% a year. You can't compare that to traditional finance where your bank is probably paying you about 0.5% a year. This is a fixed 19 to 20%. There are also lots of borrowing and lending platforms available. I mean, Anchor is one of them, which pays you to take out a loan, as crazy as that sounds. But there are other applications as well, like Aave and Curve. Again, you can use stable coins and take out loans and obviously get paid to do so. So definitely check them out. It's crazy that these opportunities exist and just not enough people know about them. So hopefully you guys watching can smash the like button and of course make some passive income using these. Sometimes in a bear market, some people get left holding their crypto and they haven't had the chance to convert back to fiat or to any stable coins, and you might not want to do that now. Now for those people, what can you do? Instead of just holding, surely there's something that you can do to try and make a bit of money. And there is. Lots of different cryptocurrencies have now transitioned to the proof of stake model, and you can stake your crypto. And some examples are Luna, Cardano, and maybe by the time you're watching this, Ethereum has also transitioned. What you can do is that you can stake your crypto and earn completely passive income, which is usually between 5 and 15% depending on the cryptocurrency, and that actually is quite a decent amount. This is extremely powerful in those kind of long bear markets that often the crypto space does go into. Whilst you're accumulating and buying in every single month, you're also earning more of that cryptocurrency through your staking. Now remember, when the bull run comes back, those currencies that you've just earned are going to be worth so much more. So if you're not planning on selling anytime soon, you might as well stake your cryptocurrency. Personally, I really love things that are positive cash flow, and staking is just one of them. I've made a video about how to stake your Cardano if you're interested, and maybe I'll make more videos about staking the various different cryptocurrencies, so keep an eye out on the channel for them. If you want help on any specifics, just tweet me anytime. I'm happy to help out. Remember that you can make money without having the price of various different cryptos going up. I mean, even if Bitcoin is going down, there's still lots of opportunities for us to all take advantage of, and I hope that this video really does help you. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.